hear the raindrops at the aluminum roof. My vodka's losing its proof while I'm consuming these shrooms. Vroom vroom, brain racing, what I do with my youth. I wasted 10 fucking years with an inhuman excuse for a girlfriend. Nickname Whirlwind, literally due to the dudes that she blew and used me till I Bruce Lee kicked her smooth to the crew. Told her sit on the curb and don't move till I'm through throwing all your shit out. Bitch, now find someone new you can screw while I move on. Too strong to let the truth get diluted. Do I look stupid? My IQ is undisputed with confusion, illusions I used to soothe my troops with. Let it rain, more water for these thirsty hoes, yet to meet a worthy foe for my unearthly flow. You could search the globe 30 so times and still wouldn't find somebody who hasn't heard me go hyphy cray off the hook like I'm in a hurry, bro. Used to be a nerdy, no reputation firstly though. I'd like to make it clear, maybe we're on different pages. Let me try to switch the station for initiation. I see Biggie praying, pot getting baptized. Imagine if that future when the guy hit and capsized. So I don't listen to rock kids and rap guys and ain't scared of fade. I'll marinate in the mad lies.